like to know, will you be coming back again with the slowly falling rain? You know I always had this feeling that someday you would leave me, but you just say that I didn't know you, and there was nothing in this feeling to believe. So if you really have to go, there's just one thing I'd like to know. Will you be coming back again with the slowly